Good morning. Are you Jacordi and Guillory?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Guillory has two cases. 23 DCCR 1225 is a motion to revoke probation. Underlying offense is evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And then we've got 26 DCCR 0631, a new offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, I've reviewed the discovery in this case and discussed it with Mr. Guillory. He's advised that he did not commit the new offense, although the state's conveyed what I consider to be a reasonable offer to dispose of the NTRP in the new case. Since Mr. Guillory is maintaining that he's innocent of the new charge, I have to set it for hearing.
So I would,
Absolutely not true.
so we want to go through the motion then and go forward on that motion instead of the, let me get that pulled up. And are there any videos or anything that you need some time to watch?
No, I don't think from reading the file, there was no videos that identify the defendant. Or actually identify the person operating the motor vehicle.
Oh, okay. All right. Give me just a second to get that pulled up.
I do have some media on that, Judge, and I'll make sure that Mr. Kimler, if he indicates to the court that he is retained on that case, I will make sure he has access to discovery and I'll make a copy of that.
I've got them on both cases.
Okay.
So if you'll make that request, Mr. Kimler, it sounds like there may be something that,
And also, Judge, at the appropriate time, if I might just ask the court some questions regarding the bond issues, I'd appreciate that.
Mr. Guillory, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, and will he waive the formal reading of the motion?
Well,
All right, Mr. Guillory, in clause number 23, DCCR 1225, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation January 6th of 2025 for the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And that was a 4-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
yes.
It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the new offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, February 27th of 2026. And is that true or not true? Count 2 alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. Is that true or not true?
Not true, because
It's okay. I'll get the explanations later. I just need to know true or not true.
yes,
Count 3 alleges that you failed to remain in Jefferson County as ordered and that you were in Harris County, February 7th of 2026. And is that true or not true? Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide and maintain an accurate residence address with probation officer. It says you reported your address at 2218 Rush Street, but identified your address at 2450 West Lucas to the Beaumont Police. Is that true or not true?
That's not true, because I had to change.
All right. Did you tell probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Count 5 alleges that you failed to provide documentation verifying the source and amount of your income, 2025 tax returns, etc. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Count 6 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing community service hours as required. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 7 alleges that you were at a location other than your residence at approximately 11:20 p.m. on February 27th of 2026 in violation of your curfew. Is that true or not true?
Was dead.
February 27th of 2026.
At this stage, the court wasn't deciding guilt on the new criminal charge. The focus was whether probation should be revoked based on the evidence available. Rather than rush the decision, the judge scheduled a full hearing to ensure due process.
It's not true.
Not true.
Okay. Count 8 alleges that you are behind in your court assessed fees, as of April 20th of 2026 in the amount of $1,812. Is that true or not true? All right, did you enter your pleas of true to counts 3, 5, and 8 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 3, 5, and 8 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke the probation, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to recite the case for a hearing. And any discovery or any issues with regard to that new case get taken care of before then. And Ms. Malfino, do you anticipate that being, I guess, just one officer?
One officer and Miss Lopez.
All right, so we can just do it at 11, don't y'all
Yes.
think? No, just on a regular court date, but at 11, giving us about an hour. Okay, all right, we'll see you back then and we'll get an updated pre-sentence report as well. All right,
So,
we need a fingerprint over here, please. Oh, wait,
I
is there
actually-
something else? I'm sorry.
No,
Come
I
back.
just was gonna let you know, I actually have one of those officers coming for a motion to suppress next week. I don't know if that will give Mr.
That's fine. we can do
time,
that.
but I'd be happy to do it. It's next Monday, the 13th at 1. We have a couple of those type of hearings.
That's fine.
I don't know that I can get an updated,
Okay, I just wanted to offer.
okay,
Same officer would be here.
it would be, okay, as the 1 o'clock. Let me look at that and make a notation on that and I'll take a look at it after I get. You can, okay, thank you. Well, time, cause number 25, DCCR 1004, you're charged with a state jail felony offense of forgery of a financial instrument from April 8th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Burbank?
Yes,
Do you fully understand them?
yes,
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
And it looks like the agreement is for a 5-year deferred probation. There would not be a fine. There would be restitution that would be determined between now and when we come back for sentencing. Is that your understanding?
yes,
Do you also understand if you're not a U.S. citizen that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1,
objection, state's one.
it's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Eli is not competent?
No,
And I guess
I have the restitution
it's,
now.
is it the amount on the indictment of that check, 4,471?
No,
$55?
no, it is not, Judge.
It's
The-
different.
Yes,
Do y'all want to go?
not by
ahead?
much. I mean, it's 8,132.88. And the only thing I would advise the court is that he has 3 pending, it looks like misdemeanors in Furio County that are not disposed of, to my knowledge. The defendant may know better than those.
Do you want to agree to that $8,000 amount or y'all don't agree to that amount? Okay, so I'm going to, case number 1 is admitted, and then I'm going to find, Mr. Eli, that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case.
The hearing ended without an immediate prison sentence, but the case is far from over. The final outcome now depends on the evidence presented at the upcoming revocation hearing. In court, patience and procedure often matter just as much as the allegations themselves.